name's Tyler. Today I wanted to talk about some eco-friendly holiday card options. So it's about that time of year where we start sending cards out to our clients, our loved ones, our business partners, whoever it may be. A lot of us do send out holiday cards. I know this is my first year sending out holiday cards, and first of all, I love how they turned out. I'm going to show you them later in the video because I actually ordered them from one of the companies I mentioned, but this is in no way sponsored at all. I just really wanted some holiday cards. But it can get really wasteful, right? So I did some research, and according to the National Environmental Education Foundation, approximately 2.65 billion Christmas cards are sold every year in America alone, which is crazy. They said that's enough to fill up about 10 football fields, and a lot of those cards might end up just getting thrown out. I know I have thrown out some Christmas cards, like depending on who they were from or what was on the card. I'm like, I don't need to keep this forever. So that's a problem, right? So why not send an eco-friendly option that will cause a little less harm and pollution to the environment? So let's get into some of the companies that offer eco-friendly cards, and yeah, let's get into it. The first eco-friendly option you can go with is choosing a recycled card. So some companies offer recycled cards in addition to their normal cards, which I feel like that's kind of greenwashing, like, hey guys, support us because we have recycled cards, but also the rest of our cards, probably 80% of our cards, are not made of recycled material, so we're still kind of doing bad, but just ignore that because we have a line that's recycled. That's greenwashing, which I don't want to support. So I would recommend supporting a company that specifically only sells cards that are 100% recycled. So a company that I'm currently loving is Paper Culture. I actually ordered my cards through that company and they came out so nice. Let me show you one. So this is the card right here. It says Happy Holidays. It's super thick. It's like a nice material, and I went with the cheap one, you guys. And on the website it says like the cheapest option is still quality, and they did not lie. So this is the front of the card, and then in the back of the card, I'm just wishing everyone a happy holiday and a prosperous new year and thanking them for their support and collaboration. So this is specifically going to like brands I've worked with. And again, this video is not sponsored, but I would love to work with them because their stuff is so nice. So Paper Culture is a company that does recycled cards really well. And for every order, they plant a tree. So they let you dedicate the tree to a person. So recently my grandma passed away, so I dedicated my tree to my grandma and I put like a little note. So I think it's awesome. They have planted over 1 million trees and they are just doing good overall. The second eco-friendly card type you can go with is an e-card. So of course e-cards are not as wasteful because no paper is required to be printed. It goes straight into the person's inbox. They don't have to throw it away in landfill if they don't want it anymore. They just hit delete. So e-cards are a great option. So a company I found to be really good for ordering e-cards from is Greenvelope. I haven't specifically ordered from them, but their website says that they donate a percentage of their proceeds to an organization that helps maintain forests. So you can't go wrong with that. And their whole thing is they save you time, they save you money, and they save trees. So you don't have to worry about paying for postage, you don't have to worry about running to the post office to go mail things, and you don't have to worry about like a ton of paper being wasted to send the cards, and they're still really nice. You can personalize them, so that is definitely an option. The third option you can go with for eco-friendly holiday cards is going with a plantable card. So there's a company called Greenfield Paper, and of course there's plenty of other companies as well, but this one specifically embeds wildflower seeds into their cards, and that way when you give the card for the holiday, the person can put it up on their fridge for however long, and then when it's time to throw it out, instead of throwing it out and it just going to waste, what they can do is they could go in their backyard and plant the card, and then it'll bloom wildflowers. And of course they said it's a non-invasive species because I guess that's a problem. But I was like, how cool is that? That's a gift that keeps on giving, right? Like you give a card, they get to enjoy, you know, whatever you put on the card, your face, whatever lovely message you put. And then after, they get to have beautiful flowers in their garden. So it's like a 2-in-1 gift, which is amazing. The fourth option for an eco-friendly card is to DIY a card and use what you already have. So this way you don't even have to buy anything. Just go through your house, see what paper you already have in your house, see what kind of like art supplies you might have. You might have crayons, you might have colored pencils, you might have markers, you might have paint, you might be really big into watercolors, whatever it may be. Use what you have and just create something that way. And I think there's so much like joy in opening a card that someone made for you because you know they spent the time and effort to create this versus a store-bought card. So use what you already have. You can't go wrong with that. So this is my 5th and final suggestion for eco-friendly holiday cards, and that is buying a holiday card secondhand. So me personally, when I go to my local thrift stores, I always find a ton of unopened holiday cards, whether it's, they have like unopened birthday cards, they have unopened Easter cards, like Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever it may be. A lot of people donate their unused cards to the thrift store. So why not go to the thrift store, buy some cards, save them from ending up in landfill, and then also save yourself some money because usually at the thrift store they don't cost very much. Okay, so those were my 5 eco-friendly holiday card options. Again, I love the cards that I bought. I will probably be buying these again, although next year I might buy a Plantable card because how cool is that? So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you are sending out holiday cards this year, or if you have any suggestions for eco-friendly companies who we should support. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!